All right, prescription drug prices are skyrocketing in Florida right now. Name brand medications used to treat cancer, diabetes, asthma, and so many other conditions have actually increased as much as 73% since 2015.
And in today's HealthCast, we look at a key factor that spikes and really has an impact in having and making sure that people get the vital medications that they need.
As executive director of the National Multiple Sclerosis Foundation, Natalie Blake has seen patients face the high cost of dealing with this disease.
The average cost of the disease-modifying drugs for MS cost about $60,000 per year.
Experts say the rise in the prices of all kinds of medications has been due in part to the business practices of pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs.
So pharmacy benefit managers were architected decades ago as a means to do the simple act of facilitating the claims transaction at the pharmacy counter on behalf of a patient with their insurance company.
Originally intended to control drug cost and accessibility, pricing experts say these middlemen between drug manufacturers and insurance companies are now driving up the cost of prescription drugs.
PBMs started to get paid by drug manufacturers. PBMs started opening their own pharmacies. So rather than simply working to control the price of the transaction, they began profiting off the transaction.
According to stats acquired by the MS Foundation, 3 PBMs control at least 80% of the drug transactions in the U.S. And while these PBMs negotiated an estimated $82 billion in rebates from drug companies, transparency laws in Texas show just 2% of those rebates were passed on to consumers in the form of lower prices. Blake, who herself suffers from asthma, says PBMs also control access to medications.
I was on a drug for 5 years. I get there and they say it's not authorized.
Now a push is on to change how the system operates.
We need to recalibrate their incentives so that they no longer profit off of the rising prices of pharmaceuticals, but instead to profit when they successfully lower that cost of medication and pass those savings on to consumers.
The MS Foundation, as well as other groups, have now called on the Federal Trade Commission to investigate the impact these PBMs have on millions of Americans with the intent to improve patient access and affordability to necessary medications. With your HealthCast,